Tuesday morning. I'm at the Sullivan Hights Park, Surrey, BC, Canada. It's also called Bell Centre. Kaka Khan is the groundsman here. He's got the big bulldozer, roller, heavy roller going in the square. Kaka Khan, Nishad Ali Khan, he's looking after this ground here. Beautiful morning, coming to noon. This roller is going to help flatten, make it more flat, more square, make it even, leveling the ground. Kaka is also going to be playing for Stallion cricket in the Big Bash, which starts on Saturday. They'll be using this grass turf wicket for the Big Bash. They will also use West Newton Paddock Park and Crescent Park.